Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can fix Snapchat error code C14A. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so first of all, open up your Play Store or App Store and simply update your Snapchat. After updating, see if the app is working fine, and if the problem persists, then open up your Snapchat settings on your device. You can either press or hold to do it, or you can just open up this settings application, scroll down the list and access applications tab, and then select manage and then search for the Snapchat. You can use the search bar at the top to fasten the process, and once you have accessed the Snapchat application settings, just clear its data and uninstall it. And after that, install a fresh version and try again. And that's how you can fix your Snapchat error code C14A. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.